everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Janelyn again, and I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are in the world. And if you're new here, welcome. Here we do planty things. So if that interests you, consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell button so that you're updated with my latest videos. So today's topic, guys, is another unboxing. So my second order from plants.com, which is an online plant shop from the Netherlands, have arrived today. So my first order arrived last Thursday. Is a Philodendron through Aroid, and instead of the Pastazanum, I received the Philodendron Gloriosum. So I contacted them, so they've sent the Philodendron Gloriosum to me by mistake, and their customer service is so amazing. They reply immediately and told me that I can keep the Gloriosum, and now I have received my Philodendron Pastazanum. So without further ado, guys, I'm so excited to open this. Let's open my Philodendron Pastazanum. Let's do this. Alright, guys, so this is my box of my Philodendron Pastazanum, and as you can see, it's a big box, and I like their box, their packaging, because as you can see there's no tape. You just open it from this side. As you can see there, it says open here. So you just pull it from here. So there's this easy to, so you just press it this one and you just pull it out like that, and it's that easy. You can just open it. Oops. And there you go, guys. As you can see, it's so big. Look at these leaves, guys. Oh my god. It looks big in their website, in the picture in their website, but this is really huge, guys. I love it. It's like, I love how the color looks like and everything. So let me just free the plant so that we can see it better. So let me just pull it out. So another thing I like about their packaging is you can just pull it out like this. It's so easy, and they've sent me sticks again. So yes, let me put this box here for the meantime. And oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love it. So let me just show you what's included in the package. So they have the support stick, and it's customized. As you can see there's plants.com written on it, and they have their promotional card here, and they're having giveaway I think it's every week. It's every order with a summer item placed between July 8th and August 31st will automatically participate. So it's already gone, but yeah, this is their promotional card, and this is their guide on how to look after your plant once you receive it, and they're welcome to their website message as well. And this is my packing slip. So yeah, it's Pstazanum. So let's put this here for the meantime. Alright, and let's focus on the plant. So as you can see there, guys, can you see it properly? So I'll just give you a look on it first before I open it and I remove the plastic packaging. Alright, guys, as you can see, look at how gorgeous this leaf is, guys, and it's huge. It's huge. It's like more than 1 foot in length, I think. And look at that. So it's wrapped in this plastic bag, and yeah, so I can't wait to show you the full plant. Alright, guys, so I'm going to free the plant now from the box, and let me cut this tape that's holding the box, and yeah, just put it out. And their box is so easy to open as well. So their packaging is immaculate, guys. I love it. And they have this bubble wrap as well. Let's put it here. And it's here, guys. So let me just put this box here on the side. There we go. So here's the plant. Let me just remove the plastic, keeping it moist. And so they have shipped my plant last Thursday. What I was told is they ship their plants every Tuesday and Thursday to the UK. But it depends on how much order they get. So if they don't get enough order on a Tuesday, then it will be sent on a Thursday. But I think they're getting a lot of orders now from the UK. So their shipping fee is lower now as well. So it's more accessible to buy if you're from the UK. So I have to be really careful on removing this plastic. The new leaf is already damaged, but that is fine. Let me just remove it slowly. And yeah, so there you go, guys. And I am just assuming, but I think I'm right, that this plant is Philodendron McDowel. So as you can see, I have my Philodendron McDowel here as well. I'm going to show you. So this is my Philodendron McDowel that I bought from the Rareplants shop of Kaylee Allen. So she's a UK YouTuber. And how you can distinguish the Philodendron Pastazanum from the Philodendron McDowel is the red mark that's connecting the leaf to the petiole. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. I'll put the a close-up look of the plant. And as you can see as well, I can see from the leaf. So I haven't seen, okay, let me keep this away. I haven't seen an actual Philodendron Pastazanum plant, but I know what's the difference between Pastazanum and a Philodendron McDowel. So I'll give you a more in-depth comparison of the two on my next video probably, or soon. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it properly, I'll put it closer. So there's that red mark or red line connecting the leaf to the petiole or to the stem. And I'll show it to you on my Philodendron McDowel. So there you go, guys. So this is my Philodendron McDowel from the Rareplants shop. And as you can see there, I'll give you a closer look. So this is the red mark that I'm talking about. And this is the one from plants. And you can see the red mark there as well. So I think this one is a Philodendron McDowel. Alright guys, let me just show you the other leaves of my Philodendron McDowel. So I'm going to call it now a Philodendron McDowel, not the Pastazanum. And yes, you can see there are 4 leaves, and the cataphyll or the new growth is colored red as well. So this is another feature of a Philodendron McDowel. For the Philodendron McDowel, it's red, and for the Philodendron Pastazanum, it's green. And I can see as well on this leaf that the basal side or the back of the leaf is pinkish. So that's another characteristic of Philodendron McDowel. So am I lucky or what? I can't believe that I got this one, but that's the thing, guys. People always get confused with Philodendron Pastazanum and Philodendron McDowel. So you should know the features to distinguish which one is which. So I'm so thankful. It's like my order have been upgraded, and yeah, I'm so happy with my order. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'll see you again soon on my next video. Happy gardening!